Vivo has just introduced a new low mid-range device, aiming to complete the V series, which is still awaiting a rumored Pro model. For now, this is the most basic member of the entire series, so let me share its specifications with you. Since we are talking about the Vivo V series, there is currently the Vivo V, Vivo V Lite 5G, Vivo VS, and now this new member is currently added. Like many Vivo devices, it focuses heavily on design, so it has a very slim design with a thickness of 7.79 millimeters and is lightweight, weighing 186 G. However, there is also a purple edition with a synthetic leather back cover, which is slightly thicker and a bit heavier. The screen is a 6.67-inch AMOLED with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it has a full HD resolution, a peak brightness of 800 nits, and a fingerprint reader embedded in it. The processor is the Snapdragon 685, a processor that, let's say, is not too bad. Obviously, everything will depend on the price, but I'll tell you about that in a moment. For now, let me tell you that it also comes with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, two different storage configurations of 128 or 256GB UFS 2.2, and it has a 5000 mAh battery, so it stays within the standard. As you can see, it is a low mid-range device, but one of its strongest points is the 80-watt charging it supports, which can definitely be one of the fastest charges in its category. It also supports microSD and comes with Android 14 out of the box. In the photography section, it has 8 megapixels for selfies and 50 megapixels for the main camera on the back. There is also a secondary camera solely for capturing depth. Additionally, it seems to have a third camera, but it is actually just a flicker sensor to prevent the camera from experiencing uncomfortable flickering when using artificial lighting. So, it is a simple sensor, but its presence is appreciated. Lastly, it has an IP water resistance rating, so it is simple, splash resistant, and its announced price for the Czech Republic is approximately $215. This device is expected to arrive in other regions soon, but for now it has only been introduced for the Czech Republic. 2000 Yen.